guys, my name is Susna from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's topic is what are real life application of vector calculus. Before starting topic, please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. First, shall we learn about what is vector calculus. Vector calculus, also known as vector analysis, deals with the differentiation and integration of vector field, especially in the three-dimensional Euclidean space. Vector field represent the distribution of a vector to each point in the subset of space. How vectors can be used in daily life situation. A quantity or phenomenon is said to be a vector if it possesses two independent quantities, namely magnitude and direction. The concepts of velocity, momentum, force, electromagnetic field, and weight are all examples of vector that can be found in nature. Application of vector in everyday life. Military usage. Any piece of artillery that fire a projectile by employing gunpowder or any other type of typically explosive based propellant is considered to be a cannon. The calibre, range, mobility, rate of fire, and angle of fire of cannons all differ from one another, depending on the role that each type of cannon is supposed to play on the battlefield. Different type of cannon mix and balance these characteristics to differing degrees. It is required to make use of these vectors decide where the projectile will head and hit on the ground. Projectile. The baseball vector is utilized automatically by players in sports like basketball and baseball. In the end, students either shoot the target or throw the ball in a direction at an angle, both of which were accomplished by using their understanding of vectors. In fact, in game like javelin throw, it is necessary to judge the angle that the projectile vector makes with the ground so that the javelin can travel as far as possible. Vector in gaming. Vectors are utilized in the storage of locations, direction, and velocities in video games. The position vectors tell us how far away the object is. The velocity vector tells us how long time it will take or how much force we need to apply. And the direction vector tells us how we should apply that force. Roller coaster. The majority of the motion that occurs during a roller coaster ride is a reaction to the gravitational pull that the earth exerts. When a train hits a high point and subsequently rides downhill, it will have gained sufficient speed to be affected by gravitational attraction. At this rate, it will reach the top of the next hill. This process repeats again until all the train's energy have been dissipated due to friction. When playing cricket, if a batsman in cricket hits a lob shot, there are three possible outcomes: catch out, drop before the fielder, or maximum score. When the batsman hits the ball, the angle at which he shoots and the amount of velocity with which he hits the ball are both important factors in determining whether or not the ball goes over the boundary. If both of these vectors meet the requirements for maximum force, the ball goes over the boundary. Because of the ball, everything revolves around the vector.